about the part which is machine analysis for our project. So for the introduction, we can see that now there are many machines that are producing many types of product. So in our project, we need three type of machine, which is
Okay, I'm Ahmad Nawi, bin Abdul Stream from team. Let's explain about the mission of our company. We have two missions. First is to customer. To customer is provide a unique costume accessory of mobile phone to satisfy demand of customer, and then provide a superior product. And then the second one is to employee, inspire and unleash the potential of staff. This the vision of our company is to be a best supplier customer accessory of mobile phone and producing a quality product. And we have four ways key to success. First is trying hard work to satisfy the customer needed. Secondly is work diligently and transparently for producing a good product. Third is carry out work in teams. Lastly is make a need plan before doing product sales. These are our competitor. There are two type of competitor. First is all company competitor, and second one is new company. So for the all company competitor, actually it's a many of competitor, but Willis is only two, 300 Protection Company and UBA Asia, and the new company is Kedai Ustaz. But we have two ways in marketing strategy. First is promotion. For the promotion is we do sell promotion. The next one is free member card, and then we produce a member card to our customer. And thirdly is every product 100 ringgit and above purchase, we give a free gift and give a 20% discount to first 200 units and 25% for the first 600 of our product. This is will help customer for reduce a cost when buy a 200 and above unit, and give 9% discount to students. So student is also our target customer. And secondly is advertising, and advertise this product in social network like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, blog, and so on. And secondly, go to the mobile phone company to explain about the advantage of our phone accessory. And thirdly, make interesting flyer to attract people to look at it. And lastly is distribute the flyer to the popular mobile phone shop like Apple, Samsung, and whatever mobile phone. And the last part is sell forecasting. And there's in the beginning of our company, we only use nice approach forecasting for forecasting our sale. So this means the number of unit sale in the first year is 100, and then the next year is also same, and third year and so on. is also 100 unit. Okay, that's all of my part. Thank you.
I will discuss about production process, the manufacturing process of custom design of the forecasting. Let's go to my slide.
Hard plastic gas manufacturing process. Start. Then gas design come out with the design. Then give customer to choose the design they like. Then using the SolidWorks for creating the case. And then using 3D printing machine for print the design on the phone casing. Finally, the hard plastic case are clean, polished, packed and shipping. And then end. Leather gas manufacturing process. Start. Then gas design come out with the design. Then a template is made and sent to the factory. Then the leather is then shipped together with strong thread by heavy duty machine. After that, additional things are added to the case depending on the design. Then leather case are usually supplemented with either hard plastic or aluminum to make them softer and more durable. Finally, the case are polished, branded, custom, packed and shipping, and then end. Metal cast manufacturing process. We start, then design the pattern for the phone casting, then using the SolidWorks for creating the case, then using the CNC machine for make a design on the phone casting. Finally, the metal casts are clean, polished, packed and shipping, and end. Silicon cast manufacturing process. Start, then case design come out with the design, then give customer to choose the design they like, then using the SolidWorks for creating the case, then using 3D printing machine for print the design on the phone casing, then finally the silicone case are clean, polished, packed and shipping, and end.
Which is 3D printing machine, CNC machine and sieving machine. So the 3D printing machine, the main function of this machine is to print out the phone case by using ABS and PU material. So, and also it is very easy for us because it can be programmed by computer and it can print out very complex designs. And the next one is for the CNC machine. Why we took the CNC machine is because as for plastic we can melt and we can build it by 3D printing, not like how we can do it for metal. So for metal we need a machine we can like drill, mill all together. So we need a CNC machine to build on with using aluminum casing or metal casing. The next one is the sewing machine. So as for leather case, we need sewing machine because we can't just stick or use a glue to use leather and put on the casing because it won't be a quality casing. So to produce a quality casing, we need sewing machine so that we can sew the leather onto the case. Okay, the next is the cost of the machine. As you can see, we chose this type of 3D machine, which is the original Prusa MK3, original Prusa MK2S, and the ANET A8 high accuracy 3D printer Prusa i3. So as you can see, the ownership and the annual operation and the annual maintenance and the lifespan and salvage value, the lifespan is same for all, but the salvage value is highest for the MK3 and MK2S, but for MK3 the ownership is highest, as you can see, because it's the full version of the 3D printing machine. The next is for the CNC machine. You can see there's Omnitrack, MVP and PCNC. So you can see the highest is the PCNC because this is the advanced version of the CNC machine. This is the medium range and this is the low range. And the lifespan is same for everything. And the salvage value is highest for the PCNC. And the ownership is the highest for PCNC, which is 20,000 for 1 unit. And for the sewing machine, you can see there are golden choice, Narcissus and Louis. So for sewing machine it's not so expensive, but how also for Narcissus it's coming nearly 4,000, For Duit is the most cheapest one for leather, which is we can sue for a thickness for 13 mm, which is 940, and the salvage value is highest for the Duit. Is highest for the analysis, and lifespan is same for everything. Yeah, the next is now we do the machine selection. Okay. Okay. By using calculation annual words, you can see the present words of Prusa MK3, Prusa MK2S and Prusa I3. You see Prusa MK3 is 1200, whereas Prusa MK2S is 1100. The original version and the slightly lower version is just 100 ringgit difference, and the Prusa I3 is 370 ringgit. Because this is a lower spec version, but how also we can still use it to print, because for the Prusa MK3 there are more complex design that we did not need to print a phone case, because phone case is quite a simple type of printing. The next is for the CNC machine. You can see Omnitech, MVP and PCNC. So Omnitech is 288, and whereas MVP is 4434 and PCNC is 10,000. So if we take PCNC is very expensive for us. So what we do, we take Omnitech because we need a simple CNC machine, not so advanced type of CNC. Maybe in the future we can try to figure it out, maybe to get for PCNC or not. Next is Golden Choice, Analysis and Duit. From here we chose Duit because it's the lowest between Golden Choice and Duit. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Syazbi Muhammad Ali from section 15 Engineering Economy. I will present about my group. It's Amazonite Custom Solution Sembrahat. For our work breakdown structure, is a flow chart, flow process about the customize of earpiece, USB cable and back case of phone, smartphone. So we can see about the flow of the request based on the customer request. The first one about the USB cable, we can see about the first tab is customer request. The second tab custom design, about process by CAD modeling, and the cost, estimate cost about 50 ringgit about per design. The second is the manufacture of cable by 3D printing and by compiled by USB plate manufactured by supplier, and lastly the assembly lab. The cost will be about cost 2 ringgit for each. The last one is testing product before we deliver to customer. Okay, for my part 3.0 material selection. For the material, what is the material selection? What is the most suitable that should be used in the package of the smartphone case or any custom of smartphone accessory? What is the particular material is being chosen? How to make sure there is the perfect material to be used? There are two types of the material. The first one is the polycitric acid, PLA, or the second is acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS. For our Vision, PLA is currently the standard filament type with the lowest barrier entry in the use, while the ABS will consider the optimal material for the best print experience. PLA material can be divided to types of part, the virgin, volatile and the recycled PLA. Okay. From the conclusion, from the PLA and the recycled PLA, we can see the testing about the tensile yield strength, tensile modulus elasticity, shear strength, hardness show. From this table, the result we encouraging. There was several different found when compared to the virgin material. The average mechanical properties of recycled material were generally lower than of the virgin material by 2 to 11%. For our company, we choose the by PLA plastic for recycle because the low cost to get it. Next one, beside our company provide 3D printing by using the recycled material, we provide by recycled aluminium and vinyl leather required by customer. Okay. The next one is cost analysis. The cost analysis is the first one is estimate cost by per unit. The whole for the estimate cost by per unit, we can use this formula. Total cost equal to fixed cost plus variable cost, and total cost per unit. The total cost divided by total unit of smartphone cases produced or quantity. Okay, the first one is the fixed cost. The fixed cost is AW, annual cost minus ownership cost, AP 10% N, salvage value AF 10% N, where N useful of a life. In our company, we use 3 machines to produce the custom of accessory. The first one is original Purcell MK3 3D printing. The annual cost is about RM200 per year, and the AW is about -370.37 cents. While the second machine is Omnitab OR300 CNC machine. The annual cost for this machine is about 1650 per year, and the AW is about -2884.34 cents. The last one is Do-It DT 2033 sewing machine. Is about annual cost RM410 per year, and the last one is AW is about -641.59. The total capital investment in manufacturing machine is about total of the 3 of machine. We can get final answer is -3896.30 per year and -324.69 per month. The next is utility base. Utility base is the power consumption of the selected machine. For 3 of selected machine in our company, it will be produced of 3.6 kilowatt, 2.2 kilowatt and 0.4 kilowatt. And operation for 8 hours, they opening only 24 days in a month. For calculation of power consumption, we can use this formula about this. The total of power consumption for our company in 1 month is about 1614.4 kilowatt per month. Okay, based on this table, domestic tariff for electric, based on the power consumption, rate and amount. For table 5 at above show the electricity bill about 239.66 per month. So our bill electric is about this per, and the water bill is assumed as RM100 per month. So total cost for the utility base is about RM339.66 per month. Okay, for the factory expenses, we can see that our company or rental for RM250 per month, and insurance RM2,000 per month. Transportation is as RM1,000 per month. So total factory expense per month about is RM5,500 per month. For the labor cost, our company use about 20 workers and salary about 1,200 per month is for employee. And the target for marketing for 3D printing is about 1,100 unit of 3D printing smartphone first case per month is equal to Q. For the raw material is RM5 per unit, and CNC aluminium target is 1,000 aluminium smartphone case per month, and the cost for raw material is about RM10 per unit. The last one is leather case we target about 1,000 leather smart per unit, and the cost of material is about to RM20 per unit. For cost per unit each type of the smartphone case, you can see the price unit. For the first one is the for 3D printing. The cost is last fixed cost and variable cost. The total cost, we can see the plus. We can see from this formula, total unit for smartphone. So we can get 32,664.35 divided by 1,000. We can get RM32.68 per unit. And the second one, aluminium smartphone case, price per unit, we can get for the after calculation, we can get the cost per unit is about RM40.16 per unit. The last one from the leather smartphone case, price per unit, the total cost per unit will be about 50.16 per unit. That's all for me.
Selling price. Our company is expected to sell 1,000 units of smartphone case for each type in a month and come with the profit of at least RM30,000 Malaysia. 3D printing smartphone case. Profit equal to total revenue minus with total cost. RM30,000 Malaysia equal to sale price times with 1,000 minus with RM32.66 times with 1,000. So we get the sale price is RM62.66 Malaysia. For the aluminium smart case, so the profit equal to total revenue minus with total cost. RM30,000 equal to sale price times with 1,000 minus with RM40.16 times with 1,000. So we get sale price is RM70.60. For the latest smartphone case, so profit equal to total revenue minus with total cost. So RM30,000 equal to sale price times with 1,000 minus with RM50.16 times with 1,000. So we get sale price is RM80.16 Malaysia. Profit margin. 3D printing smartphone case. So profit margin equal to total revenue minus with total cost. Profit margin equal to RM62.66 times with 1,000 minus with RM32.66 times with 1,000. So profit margin we get RM30,000 for a month. Aluminium smartphone case. Profit margin equal to total revenue minus with total cost. So profit margin equal to RM70.16 times with 1,000 minus with RM40.16 times with 1,000 also. So the profit margin we get RM30,000 Malaysia per a month. Other smartphone case, so profit margin equal to total revenue minus with total cost. So profit margin equal to RM80.60 times with 1,000 minus with RM50.16 times with 1,000. So the profit margin is RM30,000 Malaysia per month. Break-even analysis. Break-even point is the number of smartphone case that be sold in which the total revenue just same with the total cost. In other words, there is no any profit making if the company have not sold more than the break-even numbers. Break-even happen in the station of zero profit. The 3D printing smartphone case. Total revenue equal to total cost. So, RM62.66 darab dengan kuantiti equal to RM30,164.35 tambah dengan RM5 darab dengan kuantiti. So, RM62.66 kualiti minus with RM5 kualiti. So, equal to RM30,164.35. So, the quantity is RM523.14. So, the break-even point untuk 3D printing smartphone case adalah 524 unit. Okey, aluminium smartphone case. Total revenue equal to total cost. Jadi, RM70.16 darab dengan kuantiti bersamaan dengan RM30,164.35 tambah dengan RM10 darab dengan kuantiti. Jadi, RM70.16 kuantiti tolak dengan RM10 kuantiti equal to RM30,164.35. Jadi, ini kuantiti yang kita dapat 501.40. Tapi dalam kehidupan kita mana ada kuantiti yang separuh. Jadi, kuantiti untuk break-even point adalah 502 unit. Ladder smartphone case. Total revenue equal to total cost. RM80.16 darab dengan kuantiti bersamaan dengan RM30,164.35 tambah dengan RM20 darab dengan kuantiti. RM80.16 kuantiti tolak dengan RM20 kuantiti bersamaan dengan RM30,164.35. Jadi ini kuantiti yang kita dapat 501.40. Jadi untuk break even ladder smartphone case adalah 502 units.